A toilet wax ring that will not compress during installation usually means the bowl and the flange are not making proper contact, so the ring cannot seat. If the flange sits too low relative to the finished floor, the wax will not be compressed enough to form a seal, so measure flange height and raise it with a spacer or use a wax ring with an extension designed for deeper gaps. If the previous installer did not set the bowl squarely on the bolts or over-torqued one bolt while leaving the other loose, the ring will deform unevenly, so loosen both nuts. Reposition the bowl evenly and tighten alternately to a firm hand plus a quarter turn with a wrench to avoid cracking porcelain. Debris or old wax in the flange channel prevents the new ring from seating cleanly, so scrape and vacuum the flange recess until it is smooth and dry before placing the ring. Some older installations use the wrong type of ring for the situation, so select a thick or reinforced wax ring or a wax ring with a plastic or foam extension when the flange is low or when the floor thickness is unusual. If the bolts are misaligned or the flange slots are damaged, the bowl will sit off center and the ring will bunch, so replace or realign the flange bolts and use new washers to center the bowl. Finally, check that the floor under the toilet is level and solid, because an unlevel base will tilt the bowl and prevent uniform compression of the wax. If needed, shim and secure the toilet base to the floor before final torque. Common mistakes include relying on a standard thin wax ring when the flange is below floor level, which leads to gaps and leaks, and can be fixed by using a thicker or extended wax ring or raising the flange. Another frequent error is uneven or excessive bolt torque that cracks porcelain or leaves one side loose, so always tighten nuts gradually and evenly and feel for uniform contact around the bowl rim. People often forget to clean out old wax and debris, which causes the new ring to sit on an irregular surface. Remove all old wax, inspect the flange for damage, and ensure the flange recess is smooth before installing the new ring. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources related to toilet and plumbing repairs. So we help people locate professionals and get practical advice. We also host a discussion community where our users and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share project experiences.